algebraic identities. In class 7 or in class 6, you read about algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression? The combination of variable and constant. What is variable? X is variable, Y is variable, A is variable, Z is variable. What are constant? Having fixed value, having no fixed value. We can take x is 2, x is minus 1, y is 3, y is minus 2, etc. And in constant means fixed value, having fixed value. 5, value of 5 is always 5. Value is minus 1 is always minus 1. Value of 3 is always 3, having fixed value. Having fixed value. Having no fixed value. When we combine these variables and constant by 4 fundamental operations of mathematics. What are 4 fundamental operations of mathematics? Plus, minus, multiply and division. These are 4 fundamental operations of mathematics. When we combine variable and constant with plus, we can write x plus 5. If we combine with multiply, x multiplied by 5. When we combine with subtraction, x minus 5 or x divided by 5. So these are called algebraic expressions. These are algebraic expressions. When we write x plus 5 is 9. When we write equal to, then it becomes a equation. It is algebraic expression, but it is an equation. It is algebraic equation. And it is algebraic expression. But what is identity? Algebraic identity. It is different from algebraic expression and algebraic equation. What is algebraic identity? We take one example. 2x plus 3y is 10. If we put here x is 1 and y is 3, then we will get 2 multiplied by 1 plus 3 multiplied by 3. 2 ones are 2 plus 3 threes are 9. It is 11, which is not equal to 10. So therefore it is not our algebraic identity. It is only algebraic equation, because x is 1, when we put x is 1, y is 3, then we see left hand side is not equal to right hand side. If we put here x is 2 and y is 2, we find here 2 multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by 2. 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, it is 10, which is equal to 10. So it is satisfied with some values of x and y, but sometimes it is not satisfied with some values of variable x and y, so it is not a identity. What is algebraic identity? If we write a plus b will multiply with a plus b, it is binomial algebraic expression. It is also binomial algebraic expression because having two terms, it is having two terms. When we multiply a plus b with a plus b, we will find a multiply with a plus b and plus b multiply with a plus b. We will apply now distributive property. A multiply with a, bases are same, then powers will be added, power 1 and 1 plus a multiply with b, ab. Here b multiply with a, we will write ab plus b multiply with b is b raised to power 2. It means these are like terms, a raised to power 2 plus 2ab plus b raised to power 2. It means when we write a plus b multiply with a plus b, we can write a plus b whole square because it is 2 times same. So we can write exponent 2 or whole power is 2 is equal to a raised to power 2 plus 2ab plus b raised to power 2. When we put any value of a and b in this equation, we will find these are same. When we put a equal to 1 and b equal to 5, so we will write left hand side 1 plus 5 whole square is equal to 1 whole square plus 2 multiply by 1 multiply by 5 plus 5 whole square. 1 plus 5 6 whole square is equal to 1 square is 1 plus 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10 plus 5 5s are 25. It means it is 6 square is 36 is equal to 25 plus 10 35 plus 1 36. It means left hand side is equal to right hand side. For any value of a and b, we will find left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, it is called an identity. It is the first identity, algebraic identity. Whole square of sum of two numbers, we can write a plus b, we can write x plus y, any. We can write x plus y, we can write n plus n, because these are all variables, is equal to square of first, we can write this form, plus twice of these both terms a and b, multiplication of a and b plus whole square of second. What is second number? Here is b. It means first whole square plus twice of these numbers plus whole square of second number. It means when we find out the whole square of addition of two numbers, we can write it is trinomial. Whole square of sum of binomial, it is binomial expression, is equal to sum of these three terms. It means it is trinomial. square of first plus twice of these two numbers plus square of second. Same we can write x whole square plus twice of xy plus y whole square. You can write in this, because x is only 1, so we can write x square plus 2xy plus y square also. Similarly, m square plus twice of mn plus m square. So it is the first algebraic identity. It is satisfied for all values of variable we can verify this algebraic identity by geometrical method. I will send a video on YouTube. You will look and you have to done the activity also. Thank you.